Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce channel. Today we are going to discuss about the interview questions and answers. Now, we were discussing about the 312 interview questions that are most asked in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. If you can see on my screen, I have collected all the questions with respect to the topics. If you don't get this, if you didn't get this PDF, then you can just comment on the video. I will try to share the link on the comment reply. Today we are going to discuss about the part 4 of the interview question answer series. In the part 1, part 2, part 3, we already covered the first 60 important interview questions. In this video, we are going to cover 61 to 80, focusing on the tracking, deliverability, transactional message, and the journey builder concept. These are very common question which is asked in the real world interview. So make sure you watch the video till end. If you wanted to get hands-on training on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you can just connect on the number given on the screen. Also, if you need the org access, we also have the org access for getting the hands-on practice. So you can connect over the same number for the org access also. Let's start with the question number 61 now. The question number 61 is about bounce tracking. What is bounce tracking? Generally, bounce tracking is used to monitor the email that fails to deliver. There are two types of bounces, hard bounce and the soft bounce. Hard bounce, which is permanent failure like invalid email address or the different email address which is not there in the world. Soft bounce, which is temporary issue like full mailbox, right? The delivery issues, etc., etc. In real world, it helps marketers to get the clean data, means clean the data again and again, and improve the deliverability because bounce rate affects the IP reputation as well. Okay, now let's concentrate on the question number 62. What is unsubscribe tracking? The unsubscribe tracking records when a user opts out from the receiving mails or emails. When user clicks on the unsubscribe link, Marketing Cloud automatically update their status. The important thing is that this is very important for maintaining the compliances and ensuring that we do not send the spams to the users. So this is the unsubscribers tracking. It is a feature under the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. In the real world, it helps us to maintain the compliance and ensure users are not sent unwanted emails from Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Next is, how do you configure the send log? Now, send log is configured by creating the data extension and linking it to the email, to your email send. You map the fields like subscriber key, email, job ID to capture the send data. In real world or in real time, send logs are used for detailed tracking and debugging the email sends. The question number 64 is, what is what data does send log contain, right? What is the metadata of the send log? So send log contains a data like subscriber key, email address, send time, job ID, and other attributes. It captures both system generated and custom generated data. This helps in the tracking of exactly what we are sending to whom. So this is the send log. This is the send log, right? And this is the metadata of the send log. Question number 65 is, what is the content block template? A content block template is a reusable structure for the email content. It helps us to maintain the consistent design and the branding across the email. In real time, Teams uses template to speed up email creation using the content block template. Next question number 66 is how do you update an image link in the multiple email? To update an image link in the multiple email, you should use reference content block or the centrally stored email images. When you update it once, all the emails using that particular reference will get updated automatically. So this is the way to manage or to update the image link in the multiple emails. This saves us a lot of time and ensures the consistency with multiple emails. We generally use this to update the logos and the branding content. Then we have what is content detective. Sorry. Content detectives checks the email content for you issues like spam triggers, broken link, and formatting problems. It helps improve email content quality before sending. Marketer use it as validation step before launching the campaign. What is spam testing? This is also interesting questions. Spam testing analyze how likely your email to land in the spam. It checks subject line content and technical factors. This helps us to improve the inbox permanently and overall campaign performance. Question number 69 is inbox preview. Inbox preview shows how your email will appear across the different devices and the email clients. This helps identify rendering issues before sending it to the actual customers. It ensures a consistency or consistent user experience for the email. For example, if we are sending to the Gmail Outlook, it should be consistent. Okay. Question number 17 is about what is email preview and test. Email preview and test allows you to preview the email using real subscribers data and send test emails. It helps verify personalization, links, and the formatting. This is usually the final step before sending any campaign. Question number 71 is about the dynamic email. What is dynamic email? Dynamic email means the content that changes based on the subscribers data or the rules, specific predefined rules. You can use dynamic content block or AMP script to achieve the dynamic email. In real world, it helps us to deliver the personalized experience to different kinds of users or different users. Question number 72 is what is triggered send definition? The triggered send definition is used to send the email automatically based on the event or the API call. For example, welcome email or the password reset email. It enables the real time communication based on the user action. Question number 73 is about what is transactional messaging. Now, transactional messaging is used for the real-time one-on-one communication triggered by the user's action. For example, user can request for the OTPs, user can click on the forget password, user can request the invoices or the banking statements. Okay. These emails are critical and like order confirmation means it includes the order confirmation as well. They are high priority and must be delivered instantly. Question number 74 is difference between trigger send and the transactional sends. Triggered sends are used for the event-based email within the email studio. Transactional messaging is API-based and designed for the high scale or real-time communication. In real time, transactional messaging is preferred for critical messaging. Question number 75 is about publication list. What is publication list? Publication list is used to manage the subscriber preferences. Users can choose which type of email they wanted to receive. This helps in the better targeting and the compliances. Question number 76 is about suppression list. Suppression list contains the user who should not receive the specific email. Means it is for the avoiding people to perform send on. These lists are used to exclude the certain audience during send. It helps us to avoid sending emails to restricted or irrelevant audience or the users. What is all subscriber and what is how it is different from the publication list? All subscriber is a master list that stores all the contact and their global status, whereas publication list manages the preference for the specific types of email. So all subscriber is global, and publication list are the category based segregation of the subscribers. Now, question number 78 is how do you manage the unsubscribers? This is very common and means very common interview question in the interview. Unsubscribers are managed using the unsubscribe link, publication list, and the preference centers. When user unsubscribe, their status is updated automatically into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This ensures the compliances and builds the trust with the users. Next, question number 79. From question number 79, I guess we are starting the journey builder. Let me check. Yeah, from question number 79, we are starting with the third part of the series, that is journey builder. Okay, so observe. So what is journey builder? The first question in the journey builder. Journey builder is used to create the automated customer journey. You can design the workflow based on the customer behavior, event, or the data changes. In real world, it used for onboarding, nurturing, and lifecycle marketing. Question number 80 is entry sources in the journey builder. The entry sources defines how contact entered a journey. Common sources includes the data extension, API events, Salesforce data, and the cloud pages. These sources trigger the journey based on the customer actions or their updated data. Now, these are the questions from our list of 312 interview questions. In the next part, we will cover the advanced journey builder questions, so that if you are into the series, make sure you continue to the next video. In the next part, we will be having a discussion on the journey builder as well. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment to the video. If you want this PDF, the question bank as well as solution bank, then just ping me over the comment. I will try to reply and give you this entire solution bank as well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.